Hey guys, today I'm driving this 2022 Hyundai Kona SE, and let's take it for a night drive. We got no smart entry. Let's go outside for a walk around and show you the lights, guys. Beautiful, nice design, guys, here. Illumination. And we got our interior lighting. So let's take this on a POV night drive, guys. Let's try the backup camera. Very nice. Love the fact that it has trajectory lines. Even though this car is fairly cheap, 20,000, 21 MSRP. So let's take it on a POV night drive, guys. Got a cop here. I don't know what he's doing. He's probably wondering what I'm filming, but we're not doing nothing bad. Hope he doesn't follow me. So the driving on this is very soft, very smooth. Here we got our start and stop. You need to press the brake a little bit with down force so it can activate. Very responsive, guys, and it's only on smart mode, and this car feels very responsive. put it on Android Auto. Or Android Auto or Maps. Let's put it on sport mode. Let's do an acceleration here, guys. The shifting with a IVT transmission shifts very quick, as you can see. I feel like it's a little bit faster than the CVT transmission, and it gets up there pretty quick too, guys. Let's test the audio system. Sound system definitely sounds very more luxurious, very bassy, very rich. This definitely impressed me on this 2022 Hyundai Kona. For the price tag it has, the sound system is absolutely amazing. As you can hear, it sounds like a Bose or a high-end sound system. Very, very nice. Also, when you're here on a stoplight and there's a car in front of you, and if you're not paying attention, this Kona will actually tell you that the car is leaving, so it could get your attention. Let's see if it does it here. I'm gonna do it purposely so you guys can see. Let me see if it does it. I guess it didn't do it, guys, but it does do it. It tells you there that the vehicle is leading the way when you're not paying attention. I guess because it's on auto stop. Let me take the auto stop off and let's see if it does it. Lighting in the glove box, nice. Alright, let's try again. Let's see if the Kona senses that the car is leaving. Yeah, there you go, guys. Leading vehicle is driving away. Very cool. It definitely gets your attention when you're not paying attention, like if you're on your phone or something. Pretty nice. So thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys taking the time for watching this video.